This Korean-style barbecue chicken is a great example of slimming well cooking. It's a great combo of flavours, balance and enjoying your food. Start with the marinade and mix together gochujang paste, rice wine vinegar and half a teaspoon of sugar. Add fresh ginger and garlic. Using bold flavours like this means that you don't need to add lots of oil, which really helps keep the dish healthy. Next, add skinless, boneless chicken thighs with all visible fat removed. Chicken is protein rich and filling, which is a big part of food optimising. Toss it well so every piece is coated. If you have time, leave it to marinate for about an hour, but even 10 minutes is worth it. Heat the oven or air fryer to 180 degrees and cook the chicken out in a single layer. Oven baking like this means no extra oil, which is another really slimming well friendly way to cook. Sprinkle over 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until cooked through and sticky. Serve with rice and pickled veg to build a satisfying, balanced plate that feels like a takeaway but still supports your slimming well journey.